Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can enable the speaking mode in reader's view in an iPhone. So for this you have to visit any website for you need to enable this feature. I will type paragraph and I will open any website, for instance the first website. Now after visiting the first website, just tap on double A and enable the show reader option. Now the reader option has been successfully enabled. Just again click on double A and click listen to page.
Paragraphs and topic sentences. A paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent, and are all related to a single topic.
So as you can see, the content is being spoken. Now with this you can adjust more controls such as the font type and the website settings. You can convert it to the desktop mode, and you can also adjust the speed of the speaker like 1.5, 1.251. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel.